Today, I'm going to be talking about YNAB, a popular budgeting app. I've been using YNAB for a few years now, and I've found it to be an incredibly helpful tool for managing my finances. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is YNAB budget-free? And I'm also going to share some of the pros and cons of using YNAB. So, is YNAB budget-free? The answer is no, YNAB is not free. However, there is a free trial available, so you can try it out before you decide to purchase a subscription. If you decide to purchase a subscription, there are two pricing tiers. YNAB for one person, $84 per year or $9 per month. YNAB for couples or families, $129 per year or $13 per month. So, is YNAB worth the money? Well, that depends on your individual needs and budget. If you're serious about getting your finances under control, then I think YNAB is definitely worth the investment. Here are some of the pros of using YNAB. Easy to use, YNAB has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to track your income and expenses. Comprehensive, YNAB tracks all of your income and expenses, so you can get a complete picture of your financial situation. Goal-oriented, YNAB helps you set financial goals and track your progress towards them. Budgeting tools, YNAB provides a variety of budgeting tools, such as envelope budgeting and the 50/30/20 rule. Customer support, YNAB has excellent customer support, so you can get help if you need it. Here are some of the cons of using YNAB. Not free, YNAB is not free, although there is a free trial available. Can be time-consuming, it can take some time to set up your budget and track your expenses. Not for everyone, YNAB may not be the best budgeting tool for everyone. If you're not comfortable with using a budget or tracking your expenses, then YNAB may not be for you. So, is YNAB budget-free? No, YNAB is not free. However, it is a powerful tool that can help you get your finances under control. If you're serious about saving money and reaching your financial goals, then I highly recommend giving YNAB a try. Thanks for watching.